Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our first PU Computer Science online classes. In last class, we know some important concepts like our history of computers and also some of the generations. First generation, we know basic component is the vacuum tube. Second generation, transistors. Third generation, IC, full form is the integrated circuit. And fourth generation, microprocessor. And fifth generation, AI, the full form of the AI, artificial intelligence, in simply we can say as the robotics. And after completing some concept in chapter 1, overview of a computer, now let's the next very important question from this chapter. The concept is the application of computers. The concept name is the application of computers. So we know that application. What do you mean by a application? The meaning uses of the computer. So application only called as the users. The users of the computer. We know that the application or uses of the computer can be classified as, here some of the points are there and laterwards I am going to tell some points in each concept. First of all, the first point is the computers in education. Second one is the computers in industry, computers in business, computers in communication, computers in science and the engineering, computers used in entertainment and multimedia, and finally the computer in bank. So totally 7 points are there and I am going to tell the many points in each concept, okay, in each point here. So first of all, I am going to select the computers in education. So educationally ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So that is we know that application call as the users of the computer. So ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So we can say that the first point for our education at colleges, the computer are used to teach the courses. Correct no kya? So why we using the computer? Maybe for teaching of the courses. Maybe you want to do some of the practical exam or maybe for the basic knowledge of the computer, how to operate the computer. So for each and every work we are going to use the computer in our education field here. So so we can say that the first point at colleges we can use the computer, that means to teach the courses, okay. And the second thing we can say that maybe if any project if I give to our student, ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಶೂರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು use the computer, correct no? Through internet you are going to collect some information. ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಡಪ್ or ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. So we can say that just with the help of the computers. So just only computer it's enough? No, we need the internet also. So by using the internet he can collect each and every information and laterwards he is going to create the correct project here, or we can say that one good project, correct no kya? So the second point we can say about the student are able to research their assignment just with the help of the computer without leaving their homes. Clear this point here? So next thing is about our the creation of the assignment. So clear? clear this point here. This second point we can say that just for the creation of the project here. So the student are able to create their assignment with the help of the computer by using the internet. He or she can collect each and every information and without leaving their homes with the help of the computer. It is also comes in case of our computers in the education. And later next one, the third point we can say that in school the computer are also used for the creation of the ID card. Correct? Now in this case here, for the creation of the ID card, the ID full form is the identity card of the student. Clear this point here? The identity card, or we can say that the student identity card, and also for the creation of the marks card we can use the computer for the preparation or for the creation of the marks card here, and also for the attendance we can use the attendance here. So attendance here, and also learning the subject with the audio and the video. How we are going to learn today, like that only. So by using the computer, by using the online teaching, we can use the computer here. So we can say learning this subject with the audio and the video here. And finally for our fees collection, we are going to use the computer. So whatever the points I said now, all are going to use in our computers in the education. So computers in education ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ information and without leaving their homes here with the help of the computer. And third one, the computer are also used for the creation of the student ID card, identity card, and also for the marks card we can prepare the marks card, and also the attendance, and finally we can say as the fees collection or learning the subject with audio and the video. So now just we completed some of the points in our computers in the education. Now let's this second point, this second main important point is the computers in industries. Okay, the computer in industries here. So how we are going to use in industries, or what's the use of computer in our industries here? So we can say that in industry the computer are also going to use for the creation of the database. Clear this point here? For the creation of the database. Now what do you mean by a database? The database is a collection of the information. Maybe I want to collect some information about the company's employees. Clear this point? Who are going to work in our company. So I want to collect all those each and every employee information. So whatever the information I am going to collect, such collection of information in simple word is called as the database. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡಾಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈಗ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನು, ಅವರ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೇಯರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾ, ಸೊ such information is called as the database. So we can say that computer ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ database here, to that means for the collection of employees name, the employees address here, the employees telephone number, address, and later next one about their salary and each and every benefit that is available to our employees in companies here. So all those information we are going to collect, and after the collection we are going to keep in our computer, maybe for our future reference. Maybe future ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು, ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ database. And second thing, not for the collection of the database, the computer are also going to use to design and develop or manufacture the products here. Maybe we know that why, because the computer are also using where the products are going to design and manufacture. So we know why, because one short form is that the short form is the card and second short form is the COM. Now why I return the card and COM? Why? Because now just only I said about this one where in our industries where the products are designed and manufactured. Correct na kya? Where products are designed matte manufacture. Design anta helidre ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ here, the product ಅನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು, and later the manufacturing means to produce them, clear this point here. So the full form of the card is the computer aided design. So computer, you know the spelling of computer. For aided I am using the spelling AIDED, okay, the computer aided design. So this is the short form. The short form is the card, the full form is the computer aided design here, and such aided design is using or used, why? Because to design the product, okay, kya, to design the product, to develop the product here, and like that only. One more thing is that the short form is the COM, but the full form we can say as the computer aided design. So computer, you know about COMPUTER, aided AIDED, and the manufacturing, clear this point here. So the computer aided manufacturing, and such one is used, why? Because to manufacture the product, to produce the product here. So we know that not just only for the collection of the database to collect the information who are going to work in our companies, not we are going to collect, with that also we using the computer to design the product as well as to manufacture the product here. While going to design card, computer aided design, and while going to manufacture, the computer aided manufacturing is used to manufacture, that is called as the produced, okay, kya, the production of the products here. And not just only the card kya, the computer are also used to run the robots here. The robots only called as the robotics, clear this point here. So maybe in our industries the computer are also going to use for our robotics purposes here, to run the robotics in this case here. And also finally we can say about the last point in our computers in the industries here. The computer are also usable for the purpose like our CBT purpose, okay, here the short form I completed, I written as the CBT. Now the computer is usable for our CBT purpose. Now maybe this is the short form, but what about the full form of the CBT? The CBT full form we can say as the computer based training, clear this point here. CBT, computer based training, that means the computer are also usable for our CBT purposes. We know the full form, computer based training here, to train the people about the procedure and the technique here. Maybe any technical information they want to provide, just with the training they are going to provide to the employees here who are going to work in the organization, or maybe any kind of the procedure. So what about the procedure here? In training they are giving each and every information, maybe about the procedure information, or maybe the technical information they are going to give to our employees. The procedure means our maybe the arrival time, our baruva time, maybe hoguva time, each and everything. So arrival time, departure time, or maybe any schedule information they are going to give to our employees. Clear this point here in training. So we can say that in our industry we know about our the computers in the education. Why, what's the use, and we completed by using some of the points here in our computers in the education. Now we are in the concept of computers in the industry, and that means the first point for the creation of the database, and not for the creation, also going to use for card, computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, with that also to run the robotics purposes here. And finally we can say for our to train the people on procedure and the technique, and the short form is the CBT, the full form is the computer based training here. That means they need to know in their jobs, the each and every employee you are working in a organization, companies, they need to know every information while going to do any job. Clear this point here? So this is about our some points in case of the industries. Now let's, our third point is the computer in business. Okay, kya? So why we using and how we are going to use the computer in our business field here, business field. So we can say that the computer are going to use for the preparation of the bills, correct? No, maybe in case you want to prepare any bill, maybe the purchase of the product bill or maybe the sale of the product bill, we can prepare by using our computer. So this is applicable, such point is going to applicable to our business purposes. So we can say that in our computer are also going to use for the preparation of the bills. Clear this one, preparation of the bills in this case. And finally this is our first point here for the preparation of the bills here. And the second point we can say that the computer are also used why? Because for the online shopping. The online shopping, why? Because nowadays we know that many things or the product or any things we can purchase with the help of the computer here. So that means this is called as the online shopping. So the online shopping in simply we can say as the e-commerce. Clear this point here? The e-commerce. Now what about the e-commerce? The full form of the e-commerce is the electronic commerce. With the help of the computer we can purchase any we can purchase any product or we can sell any product here. So the e-commerce, the full form is the electronic commerce here. Clear this point? Or simple way we can say the meaning of the e-commerce is the trade of goods and services with the help of telecommunication. Telecommunication anta helidre with the help of computer only we can that means we can make some of the trading. Okay, kya? The trading of purchase of the goods or the sale of the goods, anything going to perform just with the help of our e-commerce with the help of the computer. So we can say some of the point in our computers in the business. So the first point I said what's the use of the computer and why or how we are going to use the computer in our business purposes or in our business field here to prepare the bills here, or maybe we can say that here for our online shopping, that is called as the e-commerce. Full form of the e-commerce, electronic commerce. Okay, kya? Electronic commerce, and the meaning of electronic commerce is the trade of goods and services with the help of the computer. So and later next thing about the next concept is the computers in communication. So what about the computers in the communication? So the computer are used in the email system and voicemail system. So what about the email? The email, electronic mail. Electronic mail means with the help of computer we can send any mail or message to our family, friends or around the world, anywhere we can send. And whatever the message we are going to send, such message going to arrive within a second. Correct no kya? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಈಗ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 days 3 days, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸಿಟಿ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾ? ಬಟ್ ನವೇಡೇಸ್ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್. Why? Because many advantages are there in our email system. So maybe in our post office ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಯಾ? ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ದಿವಸಗಳು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್? ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನಿವೇರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಿ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ such message will go in a second here. So this is about our email. So in case of the communication we can say that the computer, so email now hege send ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ just with the help of the computer here. So the computer are also used in our email system as well as the voicemail system. Email ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ just ನಾವು ಬರ್ದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದೇ voicemail ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ just our voice going to record. Clear this point here? Anything we can send through voice in this case here. So this is about the computer are useful in our email system as well as in our voicemail system here. And later, not for our email and voicemail system, so we can also say that about the computer are also used in satellite communication. Maybe I want satellite communication. By using the satellite we can capture any information around the world. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ communication, the computer are also using in switching the elements. They switching the element that is called as the telephone exchange. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ದಿ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಒಂದು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಶೂರ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಕ್ಯಾ? ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಬಿಲ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ just because of our computer they are going to prepare the generation of the monthly bills here, and also they are going to keep the call of records made. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಔಟ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, so each and every information they are going to collect here. So just with the help of the computer here. So we can say that not just only in our communication, we can say for our email and voicemail system, the computer are also used for our satellite communication. Satellite means we can capture any information around the world. Clear this point very easily and within second we can say. And also such computer are going to usable in our telephone exchange for the preparation of the bills here, monthly bills here, and maybe to keep the record of calls made for each and every information. The computer also going to use in our telephone exchange here. And later after completing the computers in the communication, now let's the computer in science and the engineering. Okay, the computers in science and engineering. So science ಮತ್ತೆ engineering ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು here. So we are in the concept of computers in science and the engineering. So we can say that the computer are used for satellite controlling. Just only for the satellite communication, the computer are also going to use for the control of the satellite. Clear this point here? Or the satellite controlling, maybe I want to control the satellite, that means we need to operate the satellite properly. That means sure we need to control the satellite. If you want any information, so the computer are going to use in our science and the engineering. We can say the computer are used for our satellite controlling also here, and not for the satellite and the controlling. The computer are used for the astronomy. So astronomy ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Astronomy, that means the study of space. So study of space, maybe in Kannada we can say as the study of the Nakshatra Shastra. Clear this point here? Maybe I want to study about our planets, each and everything here. Maybe the solar system, whatever I want to study. So just is called as the astronomy. The study of astronomy means the Nakshatra Shastra or the Kagola Vidyana. Clear this point here? So also the computer going to use, or in simple words the meaning of the that that means the study about the space or the science which or the branch of science which deals with the study of the space, we can say as. So this is also the computer also going to use in our science and the engineering. So how we are going to use for our satellite controlling and also for the study of the astronomy. The study of astronomy means the study of space here. And later next one, now our thing about our computers are used in entertainment and multimedia. So entertainment alli ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ದಿ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ just by using our computers. So the computer are used to play the games here, and not just only for the playing of the games, the computer are going to use, the computer are also using to create some of the special effect in big budget movies. So maybe I want to create some of the special effect in movies, then also the computer are going to use here in our big budget movies here. In the movies, some of the, just to create some of the special effect in the movies here. So we are going to use the computers, and not just for the special effect. We can say that the music software nowadays by using the computer we can also edit our recorded music. Correct no kya? So the music software allow us to edit the recorded music and create our own music. That means with the help of the computer we can also record the music also here. So this is called as the entertainment, that means the recording of music. So this is about our some points in case the computers used in the entertainment and the multimedia. And the last point about our computers in banks. Clear this point here? The computer in banks. So bank alli now hege use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Bank alli first of all the computer using in bank also for the creation of the bank account. So ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮನಿಯನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So with the help of we can create the account in the bank here. So the creation of the bank account, and after creating the account in the bank we can send, we can transfer the money each and everything. Correct no kya? So we can say that the transfer of the funds here, and for the alert messages also we can use the computers here, and so we can use the computer. So all are point going to add in our application of the computer. So clear this one? Application only call as the users of the computers here. So all are the side point, that means all are the side point. First of all the computers in education, computers in industries, computers in business, computer in communication, and also the computer in science and the engineering, and the computer used in entertainment and the multimedia, and the last point is about the computers used in the banks. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.